What are you making?
A shake. Chocolate shake with oranges.
Have you ever tried that before?
No.
It sounded good to you?
Yeah, a little.
So what do you have in there?
A chocolate protein shake from Arbonne. A little bit of almond milk. And put some ice.
Mmm, yum. Okay. Smell good?
Smells good. Smells a little weird, but I think that'll do.
How is it?
Sweet.
It is?
Really sweet.
Is it good?